I'm Katie from the Virginia Cooperative Extension Office in Fairfax County. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to make a cranberry sauce recipe that I like to serve around the holidays. I like this recipe because it has a savory twist with ingredients like onion and garam masala. Because the recipe uses apple and orange juice for sweetness, you can use about half the added sugar of a traditional cranberry sauce recipe. The recipe's from myplate.gov. It's called Julie's Cranberry Chutney, created by Julie from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Center for Nutrition Policy and Promotion.